Have you ever woken up, checked your blood sugar, and wondered why it is high, even though you did not eat overnight? This can feel confusing and sometimes unfair. You may go to bed trying to be careful, avoid late night snacks, and still wake up to a high number. One possible explanation is called the dawn phenomenon. The dawn phenomenon is a natural early morning rise in blood glucose. It usually happens in the hours before waking. While you sleep, your body is not switched off. Your brain, heart, muscles and organs still need energy. One of the organs helping with this is the liver. The liver stores glucose and can release it into the bloodstream when the body thinks more energy is needed. In the early morning, hormones such as cortisol, glucagon, adrenaline, and growth hormone naturally rise. These hormones help prepare your body to wake up, but they can also tell the liver to release more glucose into the blood. In someone without diabetes, insulin usually helps keep this process controlled. But in type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, insulin may not work strongly enough. So glucose is released by the liver, but the body does not move that glucose into the cells efficiently. The result can be a higher blood sugar reading before breakfast. This does not automatically mean you ate something wrong. It does not mean you failed. It means your body's overnight system may be active. The dawn phenomenon is different from simply eating too much the night before, although late meals can also affect morning glucose. It is also different from the Shomoji effect, where blood sugar may drop too low overnight and then rebound high by morning. That is a separate pattern. Track the pattern, understand your body, discuss it with your healthcare team.